Hello guys, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we're going to be seeing how you can fix your login problem of Telegram on your iPhone. So let's get right into it. One of the problems that you might face is something like this. If you are having this problem, you should know that your internet connection is not there. Click on OK. Scroll down to your control panel. As you can see, I am not connected to my internet. So click on Wi-Fi and turn on your Wi-Fi. Now that your Wi-Fi is connected, we will definitely be able to log in. Simply just click on continue. Again, click on continue. And there you go. Now you have been logged into your Telegram. The another problem that you might face is invalid phone number. Please try again. This is simply because you have typed your phone number incorrectly. So make sure that you are typing your phone number correctly. While logging in, Telegram asks you the second time whether your number is correct or not. So please make sure that you are entering your number correctly. If you have entered your number incorrectly, just click on edit and correct your number. Click on continue. As you can see, now I have been logged into Telegram. And if you are still having a problem logging into your Telegram, please make sure your Telegram is updated. To check that, go on App Store. Click on search icon on the bottom right of your phone. Then click on search bar and search Telegram. And then click on Telegram Messenger. As you can see, my Telegram is up to date. If you were not updated, the blue button will be update. Simply just press on update and update your Telegram. And that is how you can fix your login problems on Telegram. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you so much.